Thank you for joining us today. Welcome to our X-Hacker Xamarin meetup of this month, May 2020. I'm your host, Durgesh Khandal, the guy who just popped up left on the slide. I work as a solution architect at Kimberly Clark, and in my free time, I love to play with Xamarin. I'm also an open source contributor at Xamarin Forms. So if you have any questions related to contributing to Xamarin Forms, feel free to reach out to me. And we also have a Swaminathan with us today. He is the organizer at X Hackers and B.NET Bangalore meetup. He works as a software architect at Mars Technology Center, and he's a Microsoft MVP. And he writes at swaminathanvetri.in. So for those who joined us for the first time, welcome to our X Hackers Xamarin user group. We are a global community of developers who develop mobile apps using Xamarin and other Microsoft mobile tools and frameworks. We started this group to meet other Xamarin developers across the globe and be part of the hackathons, nights, and have amazing sessions on Xamarin. Let me show you our social groups for more details. So we are there on Meetup, where you can find details of our past and upcoming events. So you can join our group to keep an eye out for the upcoming events. Let me show you our couple of past events which we did in this year and couple of last years. So basically, recently we did one of our in-person meetup at Microsoft Bangalore. So far we have been doing a half day in-person meetups, but given the current crisis and situation, we plan to continue our events and conversation virtually. Today is our first virtual session, so hope it is useful for you. And we have also done in the past the hackathons. We call it as hack nights, where we group together and work on a mobile apps in collaboration with Zapier and Microsoft. So we have been part of other sponsors as well. We are also there on Facebook, so you can join our group to post your queries related to Xamarin and share your knowledge. And you can also follow us on Twitter. So most of the Xamarin community is active on Twitter, so you'll find a good content here as well. All right. So this is my favorite slide. Because I love contributions. We have a Dishant Shah with us, who is a senior software engineer with more than 5 years of experience in UWP, Xamarin, and Azure. He'll be presenting to us what's new in Xamarin Forms, latest and greatest of Xamarin Forms 4.6. Then we have Samir with us, who will be presenting on Firebase Cloud. He's a senior full stack .NET developer, and he's famous as a Xamarin guy on YouTube. So feel free to subscribe him. He has a lot of good content out there. And thank you to both of our speakers for joining us today and sharing our knowledge to the community. So as part of the agenda, we'll start at 11:15 a.m. With our first session. And those who know me, I usually keep a KitKat break in between. But since we are doing this virtually, we need to compromise on that. So I've kept a break at 12:15, a 15 minutes break, which you can either use it to grab something, or if you are staying, then you can do a networking with other Xamarin guys. And we will start at 12:30 with our second session with Samir on Firebase Cloud, and we'll wrap up everything at 1:30 p.m. I've also kept a 10 minutes break at the end of each session, where you can unmute yourself and ask any queries or doubts you have. But during the session, I request you to mute your mic and post all of your queries and doubts on the chat window, and our team will try to answer each of that. So we'll start at 11:15 a.m. With our first session.